Dear my students, to continue the part of the Romantic Age English literature, already studied you the characteristics of Romantic Age and what is Romantic Age. Today I are going to study the poetry of Romantic Age. The poetry of the Romantic Age. First about introduction. The Romantic Age as early 19th century is an age of romantic poetry. This period saw a tremendous development of English poetry. The poetry of this age was quite different from the poetry of the neoclassical age. This was a strong reaction against neoclassical rules and regulations. The supreme elements of romantic age are imagination and emotion. The publication of lyrical ballads marks the beginning of Romantic Age in 1798. Almost all romantic poets are great worshippers of nature. The romantic literature stands for freedom and liberty. The most significant features of Romantic Age are supreme of naturalism, note of subjectivity, lyricism, interest in country life, presentation of common life. The great romantic writers are poets like Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Shelley, Byron, Keats made remarkable contribution to the development of English poetry. Here, the Romantic Age is divided two parts. They are first generation romantic poets and second generation romantic poets. The first generation romantic poets are William Wordsworth, S.T. Coleridge, Sir Walter Scott, Robert Southey. Second generation romantic poets P.B. Shelley, John Keats, Lord Byron. Now we study today the first generation romantic poets. In the first generation romantic poets, the first poet is William Wordsworth. His period is 1770-1850. He was one of the greatest poets of Romantic Age. He regarded nature as the best teacher, philosopher and friend. He finds joy in nature. He was the first poet of simplicity in a language of poetry. In his works deals with the lives of cottages and rustics. He started characters writings with a dignity. His important works are lyrical ballads, The Prelude, Exclusion, The Solitary Reaper, Daffodils, Tintern Abbey, The Word is Too Much With Us, Michael, To the Cuckoo, Lucy Gray, etc. Then the second poet, S.T. Coleridge. He was another great romantic poet of this age. He created an atmosphere of mystery in his poems. The important feature of his poetry is the tense and imaginative power. He is the poet of dreams. His poetry is most melodious, and he is a great poet of nature, poet also with supernatural. He also used simple language in his poetry. His works are The Rime of Ancient Mariner, Kubla Khan, Christabel, Dejection a Note, France a Note, Youth and Days, Love, Fears and Solitude, etc. The remaining